सलीना जेटली और इमरान खान पहुंचे एक इवेंट में टू सपोर्ट द ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी। आइए इसके बारे में दोनों स्टार्स से बात भी करते हैं।
I would see myself as one of the panelists who's here to talk about an issue which means a lot to me and which means a lot to all of us.
इमरान has been very kind। हमारे फ्री एंड यूनाइटेड नेशंस के फ्री एंड इक्वल कैंपेन के लिए उन्होंने आके हम लोगों का वीडियो लॉन्च किया एज द गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर। और मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस के लिए आज एक बहुत बड़ा दिन है, क्योंकि आज आप लोग सबके प्रेजेंस के द्वारा ये मुद्दा बहुत उठ के जगह जगह पहुँचेगा। एंड यही हमारे कैंपेन का जो कोर ऑब्जेक्टिव है इज़ टू हैव मिलियंस ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड।
जी हाँ, सलीना हमें बताती हैं कि कैसे इस कैंपेन के लिए दे नीड सपोर्ट ऑफ एज मेनी पीपल एज दे कैन गेट। वैसे इमरान खान ने तो इस कैंपेन के लिए एक वीडियो भी बनाया था, जिसके बारे में वो हमें बताते हैं।
जो वीडियो बनाया था हमारा इरादा ये था कि हम कुछ लोग की जो सोच होती है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शंस, लॉट ऑफ कॉमन प्रेजुडिसेस, हम उन्हें एड्रेस करना चाहते थे। वी वांटेड टू ब्रिंग देम आउट इनटू द पब्लिक एंड शो पीपल हाउ रिडिकुलस दे आर।
और इसी वीडियो के लिए सलीना ने गाया भी है। चलिए जानते हैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस।
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा अनुभव रहा, क्योंकि म्यूज़िक ही ऐसा एक माध्यम है जिससे हम ज़्यादा लोगों तक, बिकॉज म्यूज़िक जो है यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज है और हम ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हैं। मैंने कभी सिंगर के एस्पेक्ट से इस वीडियो को इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया जितना मैंने ध्यान दिया है कि म्यूज़िक के माध्यम से हम जितने ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हैं। इसीलिए आई डिसाइडेड टू सिंग फॉर दिस ईयर।
वेल, हम होप करते हैं कि इमरान खान और आपकी मेहनत रंग लाए और जिस कैंपेन के सपोर्ट में आप दोनों आए हैं उसमें आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाएं। वैसे इस इवेंट पर हमने सलीना से एक्सक्लूसिवली बात भी की, जहां उन्होंने अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड क्वेरीज पर दिए जवाब। लेट अस कैच दिस चिट चैट विद द एक्ट्रेस।
Standing by once again for what she firmly believes in, freedom and equality for all. Selena, you know, it's been quite some time, like we're discussing, that you have stood up for the rights of everybody in general. But what are the basic, or the, let's say, the most prominent, kind of things that came your way, the main obstacles that you found in your way?
You know, as I said before in my speech, that to change attitudes, and to change, to fight discrimination, you don't just need a change of laws and policy. You also have to have a change of heart and mind and mentalities. So while on one side we have a half-won battle with laws, especially since the transgender status was, the third gender status was legalized, we still have 377's curative petition pending. So my saying would be that even if we have legal and legal support, changing the mentalities, that battle will continue for long.
Do you feel more positive now? Because people obviously, the social media is extremely responsive in subjects like this, whether there are sections of people who will disagree, but times have kind of changed. Do you see that feeling that probably in another decade things might be even better?
Definitely in a decade I'm sure things would be much better, because I've seen how people are coming out talking about it, people who are straight supporting the cause. It's amazing.
When you're famous, or when you are known by everybody in an industry, sometimes coming out, obviously I'm referring to the fact that you might be a homosexual, you're a closet homosexual, it becomes more difficult because you're constantly judged.
Well, honestly, I have never thought of all this to begin with, because judgment, when you're an actor, you become so used to critique. People criticize or people judge you all the time. So that's the good thing about being an actor, because beyond a certain point, you don't bother about what people think of you.
How does a mother of two look this fabulous? What have you been doing? To deliver twins? You don't look like it for sure.
Thank you so much. But I think it's just being at the most comfortable space in my life right now. Sure. I feel good, so probably everything else is a side effect. I never thought that I should, immediately after the babies are born, that I should go out with the intention of looking good. I kept myself happy. I devoted myself to how I grew best as a human being, and rest everything else is a side effect.
Also, sometimes do you feel relief that you don't spend so much time in India, because every day the actors who are here, obviously we kind of debate on their lives every day. People want to know what they're doing, whom they're dating, where they're going.
I am a very private person when it comes to anything very personal in my life, whether it was my marriage or it was having my children or where I live. I do like my space very much, but when it comes to work, I'm always here. But I do enjoy my space, because I feel that's the time I can grow the most. I can be without makeup. I can just be a normal girl, a mum, a wife, and just a normal Selena. And it's very important for me to connect with my normal self to be able to perform better. Yeah.
So 2 more questions. No entry, obviously we'll be looking forward to that. And have you made certain rules for you after being mother? I will not do certain things, or I'll do certain things. You're still the same?
I'm very open to things, and in fact, it's all about, as an actor, what can I explore. So that's that.
So you are going to do whatever. No, nothing has changed.
Nothing at all. I'm up to everything.
No entry. Please.
Yes.
What
Well, I would love to talk about it, but not today.
Sure,
Okay.
absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Serena. There you are. She believes strongly in what she does, and she also tells everybody else to believe in it. Ranjit Raj with camera person Pramod, Zoom, Mumbai.